back. You're still with us right here on Newsline, and of course today we have a special health talk segment for you. We'll talk about the holistic approach to healthy and beautiful skin with our health expert, Dr. Orawan Kitchawengkul.
Good morning and welcome to today's health talk segment. In today's segment, we're going to talk about how to keep our skin healthy. The environment around us is the main reason why our skin deteriorates, or at least contribute to its poor condition. The skin is the largest organ of our body, and it's the first line defense against any harmful substances or toxins. And yes, in today's edition of Health Talk segment, we're going to talk about ways how to stop our skin from deteriorating with our very own beauty expert, Dr. Orawan Kitchawengkul at her institute in Major Ratchayotin. สวัสดีค่ะ Thank you very much for joining us today. Let's start with our very first question today. That is, what are the differences between this approach of holistic beauty and other type of skincare treatments?
For holistic beauty, holistic means we take care of all the, not only the skin, the physical, we take care for mental, spiritual and social too. So for holistic way of beauty, you need to change your lifestyle to be the right one, have a good diet, and also your way of thinking, the mind, you need to have positive thinking, and also the sleep pattern, you need to have sleep well, and also some supplement that necessary too.
So it's everything, not just one thing in particular.
Because for taking care of the skin, we can use all the set of art technology, laser, golden fractional RF, Botox filler, and it cannot sustain if you don't do like holistic way. For holistic, it sustain your beauty and make you young forever.
So it's from the inside out.
Both way, not only inside out, because even inside out sometimes you still have wrinkle. If you touch up with some Botox, it will be wrinkle free. But if your mind is good, then all your hormone is good too. And you need supplement, because when we get older, we need all the supplement like for anti-free radicals. The free radicals is the cause for deterioration of all the wellness and the beauty. So this is all. And even the way we sleep is very important, because if you sleep well, 8 hours per day and in the dark room, your melatonin is the best hormone for repairing. So it's repair all system, even your skin and your beauty too. It's have been repaired.
People just always sleep late, party at night. That way you will get older easily, right?
Nowadays they have many researchers telling us that the sleeping time is the indicator of our youthfulness. If you sleep well, your diabetes will be controlled easier. You will not get cancer easily, and you will not obese. If you sleep less, all the stress hormone work and make you have diabetes, hypertension, and even obesity.
So sleep deprives, and then you'll get all of what you've mentioned. So better get 8 hours sleep per day.
Yes.
So is it more expensive, this holistic way of treatment, compared to other type of treatments?
It depends on which approach that you use. If you approach in like the lifestyle that you need to change already, and for the diet, this is all you need to use every day too. So it will not more expensive than the daily on the conventional type. For conventional, you need to use laser, Botox fillers, all this is expensive. But for combined, if you don't do combined, you approach only lifestyle, diet, exercise, way of thinking, all this is help from inner, it will be cheaper and more sustainable. But for touch up with the technology, it will be more obvious outcome. So you need to pay more for that.
So more obvious outcome, you need to pay some more expensive.
Because the technology is expensive. But like supplement, if you take good supplement, sometimes it's expensive, like coenzyme Q10, vitamin B. This all you need, all the vitamin C. All this may take from the diet too, but sometimes we have no time to seek for right diet. Maybe the supplement is easier.
But some people think that supplements are unnecessary because they can find it in normal food, what they eat normally. But it is actually very important to have these supplements in our daily lives. Am I correct?
Because our social lifestyle nowadays, we have less time for eat good, eat right, so the supplement will come to help. But if you can take the macrobiotic, the nature one will be the best. But sometimes the volume, the quantity to get the anti-free radical effect are not enough. So you may need some supplement with the capsule too.
I see. And in terms of holistic beauty treatments, can you explain what types of it are there that we can come for?
What do you mean?
You mean like other treatment like Botox or some other technical treatments? Are there any other type of treatments that you suggest for these type of beauty?
Our beauty we may make into categories, like if you concern about the face, for perfect face, you have wrinkle, you need the Botox is the best. If you want to tighten skin, maybe you need the radio frequency or ultrasound to make tighten the skin, or for radiant skin you need laser to remove all the pigment. And for your best body, like for shape up, you may need, if you have stretch marks, cellulite or obesity, you may need to combine the exercise program with the machine for skin tightening like radio frequency, or even some hormone supplement to make your weight control. And also if for like best body healthy hair and healthy hair for hair growth, you may need good supplement and shampoo, and also topical and oral that help regrowth of the hair too.
So it depends what you want to do.
Depend on your problem.
Okay.
Yes.
And how often do we have to do these type of treatments? Or it also depends on the problem as well?
Yes, but usually they recommend it's once a week. For each program, and when everything is good, you test satisfied for the result, then maybe only for maintenance, maybe once per month or once per 3 months.
I see. And I heard before that in order to have a holistic approach, we should avoid leftover food, canned food. Why is that?
All this is have heavy metal, some have heavy metal because they have preservatives, and some may have the free radicals a lot inside, and also some they can change to like xenoestrogen, cause cancer later too. So better to eat the fresh organic food that will not cause cancer and nourish your health.
Okay, and unfortunately that's all the time we have for this episode of our Health Talk segment. I hope you'll join us again next time. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you. สวัสดีค่ะ
So for those of you who are afraid that you would not be beautiful or your body would deteriorate faster, this is another new approach that you could go for. And that's all the time I have for this Health Talk segment. I'll send you over to our main anchor in our